Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you what's inside the Sonicare. On a side note, my battery on this phone died, and so in the upcoming videos I'm going to get a new battery and I'm going to show you guys how to change it out. But moving back to this, you've always wondered what's inside one of these Sonicare toothbrushes, and so let's see if we can get into it and find out what's inside. Now, this one is broken, so I'm just trying to see what's inside. I do not recommend you do this unless it is broken because it's hard to open and I'm probably going to break it. There's a very good chance that I will. Yeah, you see it's already kind of broken. So this is more of an experiment rather than a how to do tutorial kind of thing. It's probably not the best way to do this. Alright. Maybe we need to use two of these. One to kind of pry it open like this, and then try to... I don't plan on using this again because it is broken. I just want to get to see what's inside. Here we go. So don't try this at home if you don't want to dismantle it permanently, because I'm not sure. Wow. It's posing a lot of pushback here. And I guess I'm going to need another tool here. At this point, I'm just going to really dig into this thing. Come on, open up. Wow, it does not want to open. There we go, that did something. Come on. I wonder how they service these things. Or if they never plan on people servicing these things. Wow. This is one strange, usually with most technology by this point, you should be able to open something. But this one is just stubborn. Oh my goodness. Well, this shows you that this is not my favorite kind of machine. When I buy a product, I want it to be able to service it if there's any problems with it. This is not good. Now, I don't know if they did this because they didn't want water to be able to get in. And so they made it extra hard to open. But I really do not approve of this, because let's say you wanted to service it yourself, you just couldn't. Oh my goodness. Well, alright. I guess I will fiddle with this off camera and come back when I get it open, because I don't think I can just do it like this on camera. Anyway, this proves my point about this being something that, you know, one of those machines that it's great when it's working, but if it's not working, you can't do a whole lot to fix it. Alright, see you in the next video.